I'm Sean and I'd like to tell you all about manual mode. Now manual mode gives you the possibility to take full control of all aspects of the camera. And there are really four crucial aspects to manual mode. The ability to control the ISO manually, the shutter speed manually, the focus manually, and the white balance. And then those are the four critical factors that allow you to create great pictures and put all the power in your hands. Let's start. So let's just switch into manual mode to start with. There we go, there's manual mode. And let's cover those four key aspects. So the ability to change the shutter speed is here on the virtual wheel on the side, which again, I'll just remind you, you can actually swipe it out the way and pull it back if you want to, just in case you don't want to get it adjusted as you're manipulating the phone. And then the ISO, which is reading up there, you can see that I can change that up and down as well. Got it up to 20 there, which is its lowest value. Bring it back up. And here's the aperture, which is at a f2.2. And obviously on iPhones, there's no ability to change that. All iPhones have fixed apertures. Then the other two functions, you have to actually go into the settings to release. One is the white balance, so just turn that on. You can change that to whatever color you like. So this is white balance auto, shade, sunny, incandescent, etc. Depending on the lighting situations, that gives you a color balance in that way. And the other aspect is the focus, which you switch from auto into manual, and there you have it. The slider there on the side takes over and you can actually choose your focusing point. So there you go, that's manual mode for you.